Hibiscus tea, hibiscus or the rose of China, grows all around the world. Although it has been around for generations, scientific research on it has just begun. So welcome to Meta Lab Zone and let's talk more about it. Subscribe and keep in touch to get all the nutrition facts you need to know. If you have any concerns in the area of nutrition, put them in the comments so we can answer you with a new video. You can make hibiscus tea by steeping hibiscus plant pieces in boiling water. Many people around the world love it as it boasts a plethora of health advantages. So, let me tell you some. Number 10. Help to lower blood pressure. High blood pressure can put extra strain on the heart and lead it to deteriorate over time. Hibiscus tea is found to reduce both systolic and diastolic blood pressure. While hibiscus tea may be a safe and natural way to help decrease blood pressure, it is not advised for those using hydrochlorothiazide, a diuretic used to treat high blood pressure because it may interact with the drug. Number 9. Help to lower blood sugar. Scientists have discovered that hibiscus tea can assist people with type 2 diabetes in maintaining their blood sugar levels. But be cautious if you're already taking medicine to control your blood sugar. You should also avoid it if you're having or have recently had surgery. Number 8. Help to lower cholesterol. Hibiscus tea was found to boost HDL cholesterol while decreasing LDL or bad cholesterol and triglycerides. Hibiscus is also known to lower triglyceride levels, which are commonly related to heart attacks. Number 7. Help to boost immunity. Hibiscus tea is high in antioxidants, aiding illness prevention by increasing immunity. Consuming hibiscus extracts from various parts of the plant, including the leaves and flowers, boosts the production of antioxidant enzymes. Number 6. Help to reduce weight. If you're looking to lose weight, this is one of the best hibiscus advantages you'll ever hear about. Taking hibiscus extract for 3 months will help you lose weight. Hibiscus may have a greater impact on your body weight than ordinary tea. Help to maintain kidney health. Both green tea and hibiscus groups demonstrated strong nephroprotective benefits compared to gentamakin-induced nephrotoxicity. They reduce biochemical indications or non-enzymatic markers of renal impairment. Number 4. Help to boost liver health. Hibiscus extracts have been shown to reduce toxic liver fat, which is, one of the primary causes of liver failure. Furthermore, the antioxidant properties of hibiscus tea aid in neutralizing free radicals and operate well on liver cells. Hibiscus extracts have also been shown to work on the accumulated fats around the liver, allowing it to function more efficiently. Number 3. Help menstrual. Hibiscus has estrogenic properties. This suggests that consuming hibiscus tea can cause menstruation. Inducing menstruation may be beneficial to certain women. It can help regulate your period if you have an irregular cycle. Even if you're already on a regular schedule, a cup of hibiscus tea will assist with cramps. Number 2. Help to fight bacteria. While numerous pharmacological therapies are routinely used to treat bacterial infections, natural remedies with antibacterial qualities are an excellent approach to keep these infections at bay. Hibiscus extracts have been demonstrated to inhibit bacterial activity such as E. coli that causes stomach illnesses. Number 1. Help with digestion. Hibiscus tea is a natural cure for constipation due to its powerful diuretic qualities. The beverage has been shown to help with urination and overall gastrointestinal health. So, drinking plenty of water keeps you regular, reduces constipation, and assists digestion. I hope that was educational. Then give a thumbs up if you think it was useful. So, until we meet again, bye-bye.